I'm Greg, a Master Gardener volunteer with Escambia County Extension. In this video, we are going to be discussing robotic lawn mowers. I'll review the installation and operation of a typical system. But before we do that, let's discuss why you might want a robotic mower. Turf specialists at the University of Florida recommend you remove no more than 1/3 of the height of the grass in a single mowing. This may require mowing once or more per week if the grass is rapidly growing in the summer. Mowing this frequently is inconvenient or impractical for many homeowners. A robotic mower typically mows every few days and removes only a small amount of grass, more like shaving the tops of the blades, keeping the grass close to the desired height. Here are the three main components of the robotic mowing system: the mower, the charging station, and the perimeter wire. Many models of robotic mowers are available for homeowners, but most are similar to this one made by Work. The mower is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Controls on top allow you to set the mowing height and to adjust the mowing schedule. The mower can connect to your home Wi-Fi, and if you do so, you can control the mowing through an app on your cell phone. Turning the mower over, we see the blades that do the cutting. They are similar to utility knife blades and are attached to the spinning disc. This mower can sense uneven ground and move the disc up and down as needed to keep a more uniform mowing height. The charging station is where the mower stays between mowings and where it is recharged. The mower can find its way back to the station when it is finished or needs recharging. The mower will drive itself up on this platform and connect to these two terminals which supply power to recharge the battery. The perimeter wire is placed around the area to be mowed and secured to the ground with small plastic pegs. The wire is connected to the charging station, which sends a low voltage signal through the wire that the mower can sense. When the mower gets near the wire, it changes direction so that it stays in the area to be mowed. I'm only going to discuss the general steps in installing the system since the details vary among different models. The base station is fastened to level ground using these screw-in anchors at a spot within 10 feet or so of an electrical outlet. Ideally, the base station should be shaded so the battery doesn't get too hot during recharging. I've chosen a location under the eave of a patio roof to provide sun protection and may add a small homemade roof over the station in the future to provide additional shading. One end of the perimeter wire is connected to the base station. The wire is then pegged to the ground around the mowing area. After finishing the installation of the perimeter wire, the end of the wire connects to the other terminal on the base station. The green light indicates the perimeter wire is working properly. The mower is then placed on the base station to charge up. For the initial test, we'll start the mower manually from the control panel. The mower can also be started from a cell phone app or programmed to start automatically following a schedule. The mower cuts a swath about 7 inches wide, as you can see here. Because of the small width of cutting, The mower has to make several trips through a typical size lawn to cut all the grass. I estimate that for this 3,000 square foot lawn, it will take about 4 to 5 trips, which will be a full day. With your robotic mower successfully installed, you can now have more time to sit back and enjoy your Florida yard.